randomly won't improve your voice. Here's what will improve your voice. If you just sing randomly 20 times every day, that's not what is going to improve your voice. I'm going to show you in this video how you can actually structure your practice so that your voice can actually improve. I've heard somebody tell me, "Ma, I practice every day. For the past 5 years, I have been practicing, but I'm not seeing improvement in my voice." And so when I shared what I'm going to share with you in this video with her, in a space of 1 month, she got the value of what she has been wasting her time doing for 5 years. So if you stay with me, I'm going to guide you through so that you would start seeing results, you start seeing improvement in a very short space of time. So let's get started. My name is Grace Ofoka, and I am the lead voice coach at Graciedion Music Institute. And we are located at Asaba. We also teach students all over the world online. If you want to learn any instrument at all, we offer services on that. And if you want to find your unique voice, we also help you to find your unique voice, whether you're in Asaba or you're online. And so, in today's video, like I told you, I'm going to tell you how you can do your practice so that you can be very effective. You can see improvement with your voice. Now, you need to know that random singing is not the same thing as practice. So, if you stay on your own and you just begin to sing, "Oh, I am happy, yeah, I am happy, happy every day," you're not going to improve. If you like, sing it 1 hour every day, you will not improve. What is actually going to improve is that you need to structure your practice. The first part of your practice should involve warm up. Don't sing without warming up your voice. Before you sing, maybe in a day when you wake up, have the time that you warm up your voice. This is an example of a warm up that you can do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Now, instead of putting the sol fa, I'm going to use a vowel. Ah, ah, go. Then you add ma, ma, go. Beautiful. Now, after you have practiced for like 5 minutes with your vocal exercise, if you're a student of Graciedion, we'll give you exercises that you will do. When you finish that your exercise, the next thing you should do is to pick one skill. One of the techniques that your teacher has taught you. If you've been watching this video, I always share techniques. I share tricks. I show you how you can sing high notes. I show you how you can do whistle notes. I show you how you can sing in chest placement, tone placement. I show you even breath support. What have I not given you? So you would pick one of those techniques, just one. I know say you should pick all of them. And you will say, "I will build on this in my song." And then you begin to sing the song and you build upon it. And when you finish doing that, you do that for like, okay, I'm focusing on it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then the next thing you will do, you will now apply it to the song that you're singing. So let's say now we are working on warm tone, which requires that there will be a lot of space in your mouth. My beloved is the most beautiful amongst thousands. Now, after you finish singing that, as you're singing it, just be recording. After you finish, you stop the recording and then you listen back. And when you listen, you will tell yourself the truth. Did I really get it? Is the effect there? If you tell yourself the truth, if it is not there, you do it again. Record yourself until you get it. Then you say, okay, yes, I have gotten it. And then you've done that, and you can do that within 5 to 10 minutes. Then, after you've done practicing and applying the technique, just one, I said one, oh, to the song, you now do what we call cool down exercise. That means an exercise that is not too, you're not going high, you're not attacking your high notes, you're just going down within the comfortable range of your voice. So, for instance, ah, like you just relax. Ah, 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 ah. Do you get it now? So this is how you should practice, and you are going to see improvement. So don't just waste your time and say, they say if I can practice for like 10 hours a day, I will get my day. If you follow this step, this is what my students use, and their practice are always effective. Maybe in just 30 minutes, you're done with your practice for the day. Yeah, and you're already good to go for that day. And you will be seeing, if you do like this for like 1 month, you will see improvement, and you'll be proud of yourself. So now that you know about this, I would like you to comment and tell me that you're going to try it. And then when you try it, I want you to come back in short. Come back to this video and then tell me how it has worked for you. For like, maybe you've done it for like 1 month. Tell me how far you've improved, because there's no way you will do this, you will not improve. My students do it and I see improvement. So why not you? So go and do that. And if you're having challenges with your voice and you want to get better, please do well to watch this next video.